not harmful for waterproof. This is the only solution here. Use the glue, otherwise you cannot find this part in any of website. Hello everyone, this is HA Graphics. You all guys know me as HA Graphics. My name is Hassan Ahmed, and today I'm gonna explain some feature of GoPro. It's not about a feature, I mistakenly said it. I want to explain importance of this cover. You can find the cover under the power button. It is an important cover for GoPro. If you try to open it like I have done, so it will broken like this. So you will find your GoPro has broken. You will go to the any concern, he will say that your GoPro has been broken by you. So don't need to worry. I got worry about it when I listened that I have broken my GoPro, and even I did not use it too much. Maybe 3 or 4 times I have used it, and I find this that I have broken it mistakenly. I was trying to open the battery side, but unfortunately I forced here and opened it mistakenly. So you don't need to worry about it. How to fix this, I'm gonna tell this in this video. Just you need to make sure that you have a good glue, like anything is available in your country, in your area. I don't know where from you are watching this video, so you may find any kind of a glue and apply on this surface. Minimum very little bit glue apply on this surface and use this like it was, and just put there and try to make it dry. As it will dry, it will make its position like it was before. So I have done this. I will use this method as well. And this is the question, that how am I saying like this, that you will need to use glue? Because I have searched on YouTube. I watched multiple videos, and I was searching on GoPro website and GoPro community guidelines. So I found the result that it is not harmful for waterproof. If you think that you have broken this or you have lost your GoPro waterproof, so it doesn't belong with waterproof. You can dip in the water without this cover. This is just for mic. This is, you can see here is the microphone, and this is just for keep your microphone clean. Just like that, you are riding a bike, you are running on sand or XYZ anywhere, or you are diving in water. So this back cover keep your microphone clean by wind, by sands or anything else like water. So, or you may say like this, this cover will also reduce the sound of atmosphere, which harms in video, like a noise reduction. You can say this cover works like a noise reduction as well, but I don't say anything about it. But you can just put this like put this cover back on the GoPro with a little bit glue, and please be aware that do not glue on this microphone. If you do this, you might lose your GoPro voice quality. So I hope this video can help you all, and this is a major problem that everyone thinks that he has broken his GoPro. So don't worry, you have not broken it. This is normal accidental situation which everybody who is new in this field and using the GoPro can do this. So you guys just need to understand it, that you have not lose any waterproof in GoPro. I have a Hero 11. It can be done in Hero 9, Hero 10, or any other model of who has this type of cover under the power button. This is the only solution here. Use the glue, otherwise you cannot find this part in any of website. I have searched it, I have too much searched it, and I have asked to the shopkeeper where I purchased this camera, and he said that as well, that you cannot find this part. You just need to put this part on GoPro again by using a glue. but it was clipped before I opened. It was just like a clipped there. You can find on your GoPro as well. I just wanted to tell you guys this solution of this GoPro, and this is a major problem with them who is still living in English countries. So that's why I made this video in English. So hopefully you guys resolve this problem. Take care.